Hello guys, today let's make some mushroom loaf. We need mushroom, garlic, and then we are going to chop them up into tiny pieces. And next is we are going to saute them with butter. So this is only gonna take about few minutes. Once the mushroom is cooked, we can just set this aside for later. Next step, I have warm up the milk and then put in the yeast, and then we're just gonna leave this for 5 minutes and then mix up the flour and egg and put some melted butter, mix it up. Now we're gonna add the milk mixture bit by bit. Then we can add in the mushroom. Next is parmesan cheese. Right, so this is ready to bake. We are going to bake this about 25 to 30 minutes for 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, so our mushroom loaf is cooked. Thank you for watching. See you next time.